Oh my god, there's a bird in my house, man. I don't know. It's on my patio. I hate birds. Okay. I'm trying right now. Oh my. Open door. Open the door. Okay. I need a broom. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera on the table. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. Okay. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I don't like birds, man. You know this. Oh. Okay. Miss Miles is gonna be very mad at me. Stop freaking out. Go this way. Oh my god, you stupid pigeon! No, 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 don't leave me alone. I'm gonna get like rabies or something, Michael. Yes, you can. Go this way, you stupid bird. Go on the stick! I'm gonna get like flu or something from this. What? You stupid bird. Come this way. Okay. I can't get it out, Michael. I just stepped in its poo. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye.